Hello viewers, today is Sunday, December 6th, 2020. This will be the first Christmas lights setup progress video. Very behind this year. Normally I have it done by last weekend, but this time around I didn't even get started until yesterday. Anyways, this room is almost done. Most of the stuff is out. Just gotta do some cleanup. Haven't gotten really anything done in here. I've got some lights on the ceiling and that's about it so far. Hopefully I can finish this room today. It seems harder than it usually is. Probably just because there's a lack of life happening right now. Anyways, everything technically has been going pretty well. Most everything has worked. The only thing that happened, I had a little C9 freak out yesterday because I have this string of C9s on this wall, and I had this painted solid string here last year and I really liked it. And a couple of days ago when I put these lights up in the bedroom, I only found 2 sets. There's supposed to be 5 of them. So I found the 2 and then I ran out of time, so I kept looking and then I found a third one that's by the door there. But I knew there was at least 4, maybe even 5 of them, but I couldn't find it. And I was getting very irritated by that because there's a certain order that everything has to go up in. You know, for instance, the icicle lights have to go up before these large things go up, otherwise it's very difficult to get the icicles up. And it's the same thing with this string of C9s. That has to go up prior to all these trees going up, and especially prior to this tree going up, because this tree, the way the branches are, they just grab everything in its mother-in-law, and it is wildly, inexplicably infuriating to try to get that string of lights down the side of the window there with that tree here. So I can't find this stupid string of lights, and so I couldn't put this tree up, I couldn't put all the figure things down there, and it was just holding everything up. So I decided to improvise and use a string of clear ones. I didn't like it, so I took it back down. And I had a spare set of C9s I don't normally use, new in the box, and I just kind of had it as a spare because the box, it's not made very well and it's really difficult to get the lights out of the box and back into the box. But I couldn't find the other lights, and so I decided I'll just take the ones out of the hard to use box and use those, and that's what this string is. After all that, I get up this morning and I'm looking through something in the foyer here. Got a handful of boxes down here, and I'm looking in these boxes for something else, and I pick up one item. Oh, there's the other 2 strings of C9s. And I scoured the place for those things the other day. I looked in all these boxes, in all the boxes downstairs, and I could not find the stinking lights. But there they are, after all the searching and aggravation with the other hard to remove set. See, this is the difference here. It's 2 different boxes. These are the ones that are difficult to remove. It's like a piece of cardboard thing with holes in it. And then these other ones that I like better have the plastic. There was a tag sale once that had these out, and they must have had 20 or 30 of them. I only bought 5. That was a mistake. I should have bought them out because those are getting hard to find. Anyways, this is what's left to go up. We got some more trees here. Some of those go in the bedrooms. I think one of them goes in the computer room still. Icicles. Haven't done anything in the bathroom yet, so I've got to do that still. So hopefully I can finish today because I'm working strange hours and I just don't have time to do it during the week. So anyways, that's that. We'll have another update probably on Tuesday.